Hi guys, it is me Tatiana and I am going to show you how to do the cat's cradle. So you can subscribe to my load and I hope you like my video. So first you go like this and you twirl this hand or which hand you want to do, and then for this one you take your pinky and put it through here for this shape. And then for this pinky side, go this one at the same, like this. For this shape, take this hand that has a little string like this, go like this, like you're fighting with somebody, like this. Okay, and then you take this, you see, and then take it off and let go, and your cat is gonna come